All right, after a crazy week, I'm going to show you my trading plan for Bitcoin. I'm going to give you the roadmap of how we do get to higher prices, guys. It's not going to go up vertically. And if you do trade this stuff, I'm going to share with you how I will be trading it on its way up. I am short right now. Should be no surprise to anybody here. Solana and Bitcoin, we are short. And you know, guys, at the end of the day, let me go back to Bitcoin. Beautiful move up, and I was not a part of that move. We were enjoying the splendors of this $17,000 profit. Ethereum shorted the top 26.23 down to 23.83. Here is the trade. Shorted 26.23 down to 23.83. Closed out the entire position down at the bottom. Was enjoying the splendors of that trade and the presidential election, and it pumped up out of here. Do I give a shit? Hell no, I don't give a shit. Just made 17K. So we're chilling, and I'm on to the next setup, guys. This, I'm gonna be honest with you. You guys know I'm generally bearish, and I'm bearish when I need to be. I'm bullish when I need to be. And in this case, there's too much sitting in. There's too much set in. There's too much set in. This was obviously the presidential election, FOMC news, the rate cut. A lot happened this week. Got a nice little mamma jamma up out of here. But before we get into my master plan, guys, I just need to go over this stuff for you. At the end of the day, we broke out of this trend line. Buyers came in. We retested the trend line. More buyers came in, buying the breakout. We broke out of all-time high. Buyers are coming in. So many people are buying into the market now. And they're like, fuck it, I'm holding spot. I'm just buying everything. Buying. Long in, low leverage, long. It's so easy, guys. It is so easy right now. And I think everyone needs to get a little dose of pain and a little bit of a wake-up call from the market makers. You know what I'm saying? It's too easy. I smell something fishy. I'm going to share with you in this video what I think. I'm sorry, that's a little backstory. Guys, if you want to know how I catch these trades, if you want to experience that, join the free Discord. I do have my Elliott Wave trading course. I trade Elliott Wave theory. I only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. I leverage trade them. That's all I do. I don't need to trade anything else, and I make a killing just trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. Daily Bitcoin updates on this channel. For that reason, subscribe if you're not already. In the free Discord pinned in the first comment down below, I do have my Elliott Wave trading course as well as an outline of how I trade. That is pinned in the first comment down below. Also, follow me. Drop a follow on Instagram. That's me. Drop a follow on Instagram. I am revealing my face on here. Trading Motivation on Instagram. See you over there. All that's pinned in the first comment down below. Let's get into this roadmap here. And for everyone that says the intro was long, listen, I gave you my analysis throughout that whole intro as well. It wasn't just intro. Stop it. This is SPX, guys, S&P 500. We hit 6,000 today. Looks beautiful. I'm seeing something set up on SPX as well. On SPY, we gotta be careful here. Huge gap down here. Huge gap. This run up was no joke. Beautiful liquidity sweep, massive gap. I'm seeing something for him on SPY. We'll go take a look at that as well after we get done analyzing Bitcoin. Now, for me, guys, there's no debate. There's no question about it. Higher prices are coming for Bitcoin. There's no, just because I'm a trader and I try to map out how price is getting there, does not mean I'm not expecting higher prices, guys. It does not take a brain surgeon. I feel like I would fail you as an analyst. I would fail you on this channel if I just said, yeah, price is going to go to 90K. Guys, this is really bullish, very bullish. This whole thing is bullish. This whole structure is bullish. Price is going to 90K, 100K. Price is going to 125K. That would be a failure for me to just give you that as those are my targets. 100K is my target. That's embarrassing. I can never do that to you guys. So I try to give you the roadmap on how we get there rather than just give you the end destination. Because anyone can buy spot in here. You're good. Buy spot, sure. But we leverage trade this shit, guys. Now, how do we get to those higher targets? Well, what I am personally playing, the account that I am playing, because I do have a plan, and it's my plan. You can, take it with a grain of salt, but it's my trading plan. I'm going to share that with you. Number one, there's a little bit too much consolidation here. I'm looking at one of two things. If you want this to absolutely blast out, guys, this has to get up and go, man. It has to get up and go. It really does. It really does. S&P 500 has to get up and go. I feel, this is very scary. A very scary look to me. I see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves finished, guys, on S&P. I see an ABC finished on S&P. This could be a 1, 2, 1, maybe just correct for a 2, and then we take off. But I see, we broke out of this trend line down here. We are retesting that with the $6,000 price point, guys. I don't know what anyone else is thinking out there in this world. I don't really listen to anyone else but myself. But this is what I'm seeing. Now back over to Bitcoin. Got ADHD, guys. I'm sorry, we get a little sidetracked. I want to see at least a correction down like so, and then take off. That's number one. My first suspicion. I am shorting, quite literally backing up what I say. I do show my trades here. I don't give a shit. If someone says they put a trade in, that's great. Let's show the trades, people. Let's show the trades. Back up what we're saying. Now, if this is going to jam to the upside, you want this to be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, flat 2. This is all a series of 1, 2s, 1, 2, 1, 2. This should not have any type of retrace. This should just get up and go for a monster 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, ignore that. 4, 5, 4, 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what it should look like. This wave should be your nasty, impulsive wave to the upside. Your, oh my God, hold on to your britches. Shit's about to get crazy. Let's just pop the roof off. Breakout. That's what this is, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If this is not a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If this is not a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If we do any kind of consolidation on this wave right here, any kind of movement that is anything other than an absolute blast to the upside, guys, from what I am seeing, you will have some sort of correction on a more major degree. Whether it's a, leading consolidation, diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And we need to correct this entire move. Or, even worse, we are putting in, a WXY look. And I'm going to show you the fibs. We're going to pull all this, guys. And we are looking for a monster retrace. And then we take off. I mean, everyone who bought in on a break of this trend line, everyone who bought in on a break of this all-time high, who bought in more on a break of this all-time high. I mean, there needs to be some pain that is felt before the pleasure. It's way too easy, way too simple for everyone to buy in here, because everyone bought in here. That's why everyone thinks they're right. That's why if you go to my comment section, it's brutal, because everyone is doing the same thing. Everyone thinks they're a genius all of a sudden. It's classic. Maybe you are, and I will be happy for you. If you make a lot of money on this move, I will be thrilled for you. But not everyone can get paid. A very few amount of people actually end up getting paid in this game. So if you're doing what the majority is doing and you're hoping to get paid, if it pumps up out of here, guys, I would take profits at 85, 90K. That's just me. Neither here nor there. Now, let's look and pull some fibs and see. Let's look at some targets here, and we're going to look at S&P 500 as well. Stick with me now. Now, if you guys, it is November 8th. This code is expired. I'm sorry, code junkie is expired. I'm going to delete this right now. But if you want access to the premium Discord, if you want access to me, if you want access to the trade, swinglers, scalpers, live streams every day, Monday through Friday, guys. Educational stuff, learning Elliott Wave and going through all the charts, all your requests, 24/7 live charts. In the free Discord, head on over to upgrade here. Click the WAP link. It links directly with your Discord. You get access to all these premium channels, guys. My indicators are all included. I'm constantly in the chat. I take all your requests, all here in premium. Give it a try. But, you know, I alerted everyone I was going short here on Solana. I alerted everyone I was going short here on BTC. Does this hold? I am not sure. This is a level I am loving for a swing short. And my plan of attack here is, first and foremost, obviously, if we get any type of move down, I will be taking profits off the table on a quick move. Stop loss to break even. That's how we trade. That's how we trade. But overall, I'm going to be looking for more of, you know, a 5-wave shape here into a correction, into a larger correction to the downside that really scares the jeepers out of everybody. Let's smash through this trend line, guys. Let's make it look bearish. If we go to the weekly time frame, there would be, if we get a move like that, there would be weekly bearish divergence kind of setting in. It would look ugly. There's a nice M formation. It's a swing fail of all-time high. I mean, all you need is a move like that, guys. That is all you need. You do not need to come down to these lower targets. You don't even need to come down here. All you need is a move like that, and then we can go. You need a boom, absolutely terrifying move that's going to shake everyone out, and then we can run. Then we can run. At the minimum, that's what I'm looking for. Is this going to turn around here? I really like this area. It's not 80K. It's not 78K. I see a lot of people looking at 78, 80K now as a point to come down and correct before continuation. I'm having trouble seeing us even get there. I see a 1, 2, 3, 4, bump, up, 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 bump, ending diag, 5. Let's go. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice ending diag. Solana looks finished. Ethereum looks just about finished. We have some divergence on the hourly that is setting in nicely. I mean, it looks great to come down, at least for a little correction before continuation, right? You know, and this is kind of what I'm playing in this trade right now. Just a little correction and we'll TP, and then let the rest ride and see if we can get jiggy to lower targets. Really want to see a push to the downside. Going over to S&P 500, guys. S&P 500 is showing topping signals for me in the immediate term. We are getting kind of capped out on RSI. Getting kind of capped out. Everything is kind of pointing to the downside, as you can see. I have a finished 5 waves here that I've counted with my Elliott, and an ABC that is finished here as well. If we pull fibs on that ABC, it hits the 1-to-1 beautifully over in the premium Discord. And I think in videos I said I wanted to come up to 6K. I need another push higher. We got that one more push higher. I was saying that back when we were right here. I want to see this 1-to-1 hit. You know, we got that. Here we are. Now what happens from here? Before we go over this, and then we'll look smaller time frame on Bitcoin as well for some trade setups. Guys, if you want to trade on Blowfin, right now is the time to do it. I had the best promotion. Pin in the first comment down below. We'll come back to that. But they are running a $1 million prize pool tournament. Join Team Chart Junkies. If you're already on Blowfin, join Team Chart Junkies. If you're in the Discord, I have it linked there as well. Join us if you want to join a winning team. $1 million in prizes. We have 12 people in here. Bump it up. We can have as many as we want. And then also, if you're not registered already, this is the best initial deposit bonus that they have running right now, up to $10,000 in initial deposits. $450 with just a $1,000 deposit. That's half of your account getting delivered to you as a bonus. There is volume trading requirements, trading volume requirements. So read that. That is pinned in the first comment down below. It is for the Chart Junkies community only. I annoy them for the best promotion. They give it to me. There it is for you guys. Congratulations. Hop on Blofin. No KYC, and it's what everyone is using. Now, S&P 500, I'm seeing a flat setup here on the S&P 500 chart, guys. I'm seeing a flat on the S&P 500 chart. I can't get it out of my head. I really can't. Your only other option is a 1, 2 into a 1, 2. I don't hate that. You know, this level can't break, but that would be extremely bullish for a very, 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 very large move to the upside. You could have an ending diagonal here, guys. I mean, the ending diagonal is real and could be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks very toppy to me, at least in the interim, you know. Is that a leading diag and then we just get a nice correction down like this and then go? I like that. Is this a flat where we get an impulsive wave to the downside and then go? I also like that. Either way, I don't care what one it is. There's downside. There's downside right here. Downside, downside. I wanted to see the 6K hit. I did not say S&P was topped right here. I said I wanted to see one more hit to the 1-to-1 to the 6K mark. I had it in my 24/7 live charts locked in. Set it in the live streams every day. That's what I wanted to see. We got that, and I'm ready for this to come down now. Let's go closer up on Bitcoin here. What do we got cooking? What do we got cooking? Well, here we go. Here we go. I mean, we're testing this trend line right now. We have hit it 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 5th tap of the trend line. Do we hold for 5 times in a row on this trend line? Do we hold on this trend line? It's a very easy long. If you want to long this, stop loss under the trend line. Do we get another hit up out of here? Does it happen? I don't see it. I am short for this, guys. I am short for this. Zooming in here. I really like this being an impulse. I like a little pullback. Let's get it. Let's entice everyone. I like just a sharp move right here and then dump right through the trend line, guys. Dump right through the trend line. That's what I'm seeing. Maybe, you know, here's another trend line right here. You know, dump through that. There's liquidity here, guys. There is serious liquidity here. Right here, I would be looking to probably take a little bit off the top of my trade. But, you know, other than that, I'm chilling. I want to see 5 waves put in. A, B, C. And then another 5 waves put in. Taking nice profits down here. That is my plan, guys. And then stop loss break even. We'll look at, you know, to maybe add to my position if we get a pullback or see what's up at that point. As you know, I want to see a larger retrace on this before any serious continuation to the upside. I really don't think everyone's going to get paid in this market right now. I think it's going to be a lot more difficult than people think, but it might be easy, this bull run. I don't know. It might be easy, this leg up to 100K, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, that's my analysis. Get lost to get with it. Subscribe to the channel. Daily Bitcoin updates. I'll see you over in the premium Discord. Daily live streams. I'm teaching everyone Elliott Wave. Amazing, amazing, amazing group of people in the premium Discord. So many guys in here. Very helpful. Everyone wants to see each other succeed. Check it out. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you on Blowfin. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. I'll see you. I'll post a video this weekend, Saturday or Sunday. I don't know. One video this weekend. I love you. Trade safe. Bye.